Alright, we over here at, what's this called? Parque... No, ¿qué es eso? Pueblito Paisa. Ah, ¿tú ves lista? Alright, we're gonna have a good time. Muy bien tiempo?
Sí.
Alright, we're about to have a good time. We're at Pueblito Paisa in Medellin, Colombia.
ColombiaTips.com is the only site where you can chat and meet in person some of the sexiest women in Colombia. These sexy ladies can safely guide you through the city and Colombia's nightlife. You can feel safe knowing every girl has been verified with passport, state identification, and home address. ColombiaTips.com, your sexy companion awaits.
Sí. Café. It's a little bitty cafe. ¿Tienes café? ¿Tienes café? Oh, ¿quién es la modelo aquí? Wow, paisa hermosa. ¿Te gusta cappuccino? All right, we're about to see. This is the mejor cappuccino in Medellin. Huh? Let's see what kind of... Oh, azul cars, diferente azul cars. Oh, bueno. Yeah, it's Juan Valdez. Okay, all right. It's like a pequeño pueblo. Bienvenido. Tell me about what is this called? Pueblito Paisa. Dime todo. Es muy lindo. ¿Cómo tú? Oh. Estados Unidos. I love it. Delicioso, fresas con crema. ¿Te gusta? ¿Quieres uno? No. Oh, it's a restaurant.
Aleja, una vez.
Cada vez más interesante.
¿Cómo estás? All right, we're over here at Pueblito Paisa. Look at this amazing view. ¿Te gusta la vista?
Sí.
Ah, chévere. Es un rico. Es súper rico. Rico. ¿Es súper rico?
Sí.
¿O normal rico?
Súper.
Uy, qué rico. Oh, es un video. Ah, es video. Mira la modela.
ColombiaTips.com is the only site where you can chat and meet in person some of the sexiest women in Colombia. These sexy ladies can safely guide you through the city and Colombia's nightlife. You can feel safe knowing every girl has been verified with passport, state identification, and home address. ColombiaTips.com, your sexy companion awaits.
Hey. Los artistas amor pájaros. Ok. ¿En serio? Wow, es muy bonito. Como tú. Uy. Qué bueno. Rico. ¿Dónde es la Pablo Escobar? Sí. Todo Medellín. That is cool. 1956. Monumento. Wow, es mucho. Alright, so we just got here to Mahalo, which is like a mountain view of all of Envigado and Medellin. It's beautiful. Let's check it out with this Hermosa cave. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to say goodbye. I hope you liked the video. Go check out Colombia Tips for more information about Colombia. See you on the next one.